Stop wasting time with outdated tools. These 5 game-changing tools can make your workshop faster, smarter, and more accurate. So let's see which one deserves a place in your toolbox. Caliber Digital Measuring Tool, a smarter way to measure and cut with speed and precision. Instead of reaching for a tape measure and pencil every time, simply clamp it to your saw fence and watch real-time measurements appear on the large backlit LCD screen as your material moves. It works with most miter, chop, cutoff, and vertical bandsaws, handling straight, miter, bevel, and compound cuts on boards, composites, and even pipes. With English and metric readings, fast setup, and fewer repetitive measuring steps, the M1 caliber helps contractors, carpenters, and woodworkers achieve faster, more consistent cuts. Sebupar Cabinet Clamp, a must-have tool for faster, more accurate cabinet installation. Built with sturdy cast steel, it delivers up to 440 pounds of clamping force to hold cabinet face frames securely in place. The built-in drill guide helps you create precise pilot holes without constantly repositioning the clamp, while the aluminum alignment plate keeps cabinets level and perfectly aligned. With protective felt pads to help prevent marks and a wide range of applications, this clamp makes cabinet installation easier for professionals and DIYers alike. If you want cleaner, faster, and more accurate cabinet assembly, this is one tool you'll want in your workshop. Kreg Project Blocks, the simple upgrade that can make your woodworking projects more stable and efficient. These 4 hexagon-shaped blocks can support up to 200 pounds without rolling around. Their retractable painting points are perfect for painting, clamping, sanding, and more, while the Grit Max surface helps prevent slipping. At 1.5 inches tall, they work perfectly with standard 2x4s. Whether you're a DIYer or a serious woodworker, Kreg Project Blocks give you the stability and workspace flexibility to turn your ideas into finished projects faster. Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig, the easy way to install European-style cabinet hinges with professional-level precision. Designed to drill accurate 35mm hinge cup holes using a standard hand drill, its carbide-tipped 4-cutter bit delivers clean results with controlled depth. You can adjust the hinge offset from 3 to 6mm, and position hinges anywhere from 2 inches from the door edge to unlimited spacing. Whether you're building new cabinets or upgrading old doors, this Kreg Concealed Hinge Jig helps make precise hinge installation faster and easier. BILT Hard Electric Splitter, the powerful solution for tackling tough firewood fast. Its 15-amp motor delivers up to 3,400 RPM and can split logs up to 9.8 inches in diameter and 20.5 inches long. With an 18-second cycle time, you can keep working without wasting time. The 2-hand safety controls provide extra protection, while the electric, fume-free design is quieter and more eco-friendly. And with sturdy 5.7-inch wheels, moving it across uneven ground is easy. If you need serious splitting power without the hassle of gas, this portable BILT Hard Log Splitter is built to get the job done.